Welcome to the Kucoin. Okay, so this chart is going to be a little bit messy. Three scenarios here. So the first one, well, for sure it's not a scenario, it's just a constatation that we had 5-way up, completed a bigger wave 1. Now we had an A, we possibly had a B, and possibly had a C. The only problem with that is that, yeah, it's very, very shallow. We didn't even touch the MA50, we didn't go even to the 0.236. Ideally, you know, and here I was being very bullish, but ideally it would be between 0.5 fib retracement and 0.618. This would be the ideal target for a wave 2. So now we completed a bigger wave 1. We're looking for a retracement level that price could react for this pullback wave 2. Now I have a more bearish count, and that would be that this is just ABC. It would be just a huge A, okay, and now we're doing the B, and eventually we're going to do the C, and that would enable us to reach maybe these targets here, and specifically ideally even this one. Okay, so that's the scenario. So what am I going to look for is this fib retracement for the wave B, the bigger one, right? So 7 cents 4, 7 cents 7 8, and 8 cents 3 4. Those are the levels that the B wave can reach easily, and after that we should see a pullback. I mean, it could coincide if Bitcoin decided to go much higher, maybe under 14, under 15, under 16, then it would enable to give us this high B wave, and after that the last stretch down when Bitcoin is going to make its bigger pullback. Okay, so that's scenario 1. Scenario 2, let me check here. Well, completed the A and the B, and now we're working on to the C. And this scenario would allow the price to go way, way lower. And the reason is this would be just a wave 1 in orange. Possibly now we're working on a wave 2, and then we're going to do a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5. And this would allow us to maybe reach this kind of ideal target for a wave 2. Now the third way, the third scenario, more bullish. This one would imply that actually this was the bottom of the wave 2, and now we did already a 1 and a 2. Don't really like it because it went way, even though it just wick momentarily below the 0.786, but price is still corrective. So I'm not sure. Is it doing another 1 too? Maybe we're going to see shortly. For sure, by the end of the week, I think we should see what is going on with Brett. So if this is a 1-2, the third wave should reach, let me put it here, at least 7 cents 5, which is the 1.38 fib extension, and after that we're going to have a 4 and a fifth wave, which is, I guess, higher here. Now it's too early to know, to tell you what could be the fourth and the fifth wave. We don't even have a complete third wave, so let's see if Brett can reach that level. Maybe can even stretch higher, and then after that we can calculate the area where a fourth wave could react, and if it does hold the support for the fourth wave, then we can expect a fifth one. Alright, so this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.